So the guides are in, and now we're gonna fit a bed plate. Alright, so I fitted sides of the bed plate, and now this thing here, you can see it's heavy piece of shit here. Look how thick metal is. Have to put on top of these. As you can see, bed plate is in. It was hard to lift it up. Then we're putting this up. We line it up with the holes. As you can see, there is insulation, so we pinned we clipped it on a guide. Now we throw a rope hitch plate on. So it's like that. And again, have to line up with the holes. And this one we bolted on. I'm gonna bolt that on. Now these two brackets we have to fit in here. Okay, so the bed plate is ready. A lot of bolts, a lot of fixings.